Giving it up?
What do you got?
Huh?
He just passed it.
Got a kite.
Oh, you're... Oh, tie it to his dick.
That's
Where
one
it's-
way to get it up.
It's where it belongs.
Maybe the only way.
Okay.
Can you hold it and shoot it?
I'm gonna try one. Hold on, don't move that fucker.
No one else wants it? Alright, I'll take it.
Don't move it. Keep it still.
Oh!
Oh, no. Yeah, someone else.
Who's shooting? Winter about Joe over there.
He's talking to me?
Pretty sure.
Hey, put on some Dr. Dre. Oh, shit.
Who was just making fun of my accuracy?
Put some rap music on. We need it right now.
Perfect.
Spidey's laughing at you all.
That's why he's a superhero and you're all fucking humans. You're nothing.